Hey there, ready to link up your Google, Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam account to your Warzone profile? Awesome, let's get started. First things first, pop open your favorite browser and head over to account.battle.net. Don't worry about remembering that link, I've got the video description right below for your convenience. Now, go ahead and enter your account details and hit that login button if you haven't already. After that, you'll land on the account overview page. Next up, take a look at the left side menu and give connections a click. Here, you'll see a list of all accounts you can hook up to your Warzone account, like Apple, Facebook, Google, Xbox, PlayStation, Steam, Nintendo, and Twitch. Simply hit connect next to the account you want to link, and then hit continue. You'll be whisked away to the website of the account you selected. Just log in, grant permission, and finally hit continue to seal the deal. Remember, you can only link a new Nintendo, Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam account once a year. Twitch accounts, though, can be swapped out every 7 days, but for the others, feel free to switch as often as you like. No strings attached. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.